Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Diasto. And for today's episode 51, mga must-try drinks and most loved and famous for their siomai and batchoy by Me Iloilo. Me Iloilo is well known and most popular for their siomai, kimbap, batchoy, and also for their milk tea products here in Iloilo City. They're located at Zone 3, Barangay Salvacion, Habog, Compania Street, Molo, Iloilo City. They're open 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. And they're also available for Food Panda app delivery and for Maxim food delivery. Free delivery of orders minimum of 500 and above. They also accept early reservations for delivery and pickup for 1 day in advance, and for walk-ins 2 to 3 hours to prepare. And for below 500, they charge 50 pesos and above, depends on the location. They're also available for their siomai rice meals. This episode is not sponsored by Me Iloilo, pero binayaran ko in my own personal expense, and for full list of menus and delivery details, I'll be providing description down below. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Big shoutout and big respect po sa rider ng Maxim sa pag-deliver at sa pag-secure sa akin drinks and products. So saludo talaga ako for your service and also for your dedication for your job. So thank you so much, sir. Me Iloilo is now accepting cash donations and kind sa mga naapektuhan sa pandemic, especially sa mga fellow Ilonggos natin walang kaya po at walang makakain, and also sa mga OFW natin na na-quarantine. Mag-provide ako ng link kung saan nyo pwedeng i-contact and mag-send ng mga details when it comes sa cash donations and in kind. Drinking Nose and Jesso family nag-donate na din po. So ito na mga nose, yung shoutout portion natin. Mag-shoutout ako ng 2 tao nag-support sa aking Drink Nose simula nung start pa ako until now. First natin i-shoutout ay si Jeremy Gamboa. Hi po kay Jeremy, aka Claro. Ito po big host, singer, and also a vlogger. So thank you so much, Claro, sa pag-advise kung anong gagawin ko, kung ma-boost yung confidence ko. So thank you so much. At yung next natin i-shoutout ay si Mayana and A. Medina. Thank you so much sa pag-promote sa aking channel, sa lahat po ng kilala mo, sa friends mo, and also sa mga relatives. Thank you talaga sa inyo dalawa for promoting and also supporting Drinking Nose. So keep safe mga nose and God bless! Hi there mga nose! Serving drinks and siomais, last, batchoy by Me Iloilo. So this will be an ultimate taste test mga nose. Kasi lahat po dito, these are all their best sellers in each of their categories. Kahit mapa-siomai, kahit batchoy, and also for their drinks. And lahat po ng sizes dito, these are all large size for 22 ounce. Before anything else, please do like this video and comment down below kung anong mga foods or drinks na gusto nyo try for Me Iloilo. And share this video to one of your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo updated sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. So let's start mga nose. So unahin muna natin yung drinks. For our first product is their Okinawa Milk Tea, 22 ounce for large size, 75 pesos. Itong Okinawa nila, nasa right yung proportion for its Okinawa tea essence, and also when it comes to sweetness or yung sugar level, well balanced siya for this drink. For the pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. For the next product, these are caramel milk tea for 22 ounce, large size, for 75 pesos. Ito on point yung caramel essence, tapos very present yung tea essence. And when it comes to sweetness, ito nasa moderate yung sugar level niya, which is applicable for my taste. Very creamy siya for this drink. For the next product, these are chocolate milk tea for 22 ounce, large size, for 75 pesos. Ito, it has an excellent richness for its chocolate texture and taste. Tapos na-notice ko dito, ito naging consistent sila when it comes sa properly proportion for its ingredients and also for its sugar level. So good job, Me Iloilo. For the next drink, these are Wintermelon milk tea for 22 ounce, large size, for 75 pesos. Ito very precise yung Wintermelon tea essence for this drink. Well balanced at moderate yung sugar level niya, which is very good for my taste. For the next product, this is vanilla milk tea for 22 ounce, large size for 75 pesos. So first time ko matry for vanilla flavor for milk tea, especially for my taste test vlog. At to be honest, sobrang sarap na drink na to. Hindi ko na-expect for vanilla milk tea. It has a lighter taste and also very creamy and also on point yung vanilla essence and flavor. For our next product, these are special batchoy, bihon with paras for 75 pesos. Ito mga nos, yung batchoy perfect siya kainin, especially sa rainy season. Yung original price for special batchoy bihon is 35 pesos. Pero nag-add ako ng paras for 40 pesos. So total is 75 pesos. Ito po yung paras nila with noodles. Yung batchoy nila, nag-request ako na lagyan ng black pepper and also for toyo. And when it comes sa batchoy nila, on point yung batchoy flavor and also for its soup. When it comes sa overall ingredients, yung garlic, yung onion leaves, yung bihon, yung meats, and also for its paras. Very delicious siya, napaka-tender, at sobrang swak at sulit na sulit for your 75 pesos for batchoy. For the next product, is your pork siomai for 15 pieces for 100 pesos. And by the way mga nos, lahat po ng siomai nila in different categories, may kasama na siyang chili sauce. So wala na po siyang included na calamansi and also for its toyo. Pero sinabihan ako ng owner na sobrang sarap ng siomai nila kahit walang calamansi or for toyo. Chili sauce nila, spicy siya mga nos, so i-test natin. So, naging accurate sila when it comes sa spiciness for its chili sauce. Tikman natin yung siomai kahit walang chili sauce. Very juicy yung meat, tapos sobrang siksik sa laman. When it comes sa wrapper, very soft siya, very delicate to eat. So, naging precise sila when it comes sa texture and also for its meatiness. For the next product, these are bacon roll for 15 pieces for 225 pesos. Ang sarap nga mga nos, yung siomai nila kasi naging consistent pa rin sila when it comes sa meatiness and also for its texture, yung savory flavor for each of their categories. Sobrang na-impress ako for its overall taste and also for its quality. Next product, these are Veggie Roll for 15 pieces for 165 pesos. Very smooth yung texture for its veggies. And when it comes sa meat, ganun pa rin, very juicy, very savory, and also sobrang sarap mga nos. For our next product, these are cheesy pork for 15 pieces for 130 pesos. Ito sakto yung quantity for its cheese. Hindi siya nag-overpower for its cheesy flavor. Parang very similar siya sa taste ng cheeseburger. For our next product, these are Pugomai for 15 pieces for 150 pesos. Ito ang sarap mga nos. Hindi ko imagine yung pugo egg and also for its siomai. Perfect combination siya for this product. For our next product, these are Japanese siomai for 15 pieces for 150 pesos. Ang sarap mga nos, nandun yung texture for its sushi wrap, sob na sob ka, at sobrang busog ka na for their siomai and for their milk tea. Okay, for rating mga nos, for all of their products, and also for their siomai and batchoy, I'll give it a perfect 10. Comes sa siomai nila, ito sobrang busog ka na, sobrang sulit ka na for its meatiness, for its savory, and also for its overall ingredients. Yung wrapper, excellent quality, napaka-soft, and also sulit na sulit ka na for its budget. Tapos when it comes sa chili sauce, sobrang anghang niya mga no, siguro I would rate this level 4 yung spiciness niya. Tapos when it comes sa special batchoy, bihon, ito sobrang sarap niya, tapos sobrang laki na siya at good for 2 to 3 persons. Tapos yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for kids, I would suggest si caramel milk tea and also for chocolate milk tea. And also sa mga drinks na for tea essence, I would suggest si Okinawa Milktea, si Wintermelon Milky, and also for Vanilla Milky. Thank you so much, Yummy Me Iloilo, for all of your trust and also for your efforts when it comes sa preparation, sa pag-deliver, and also for its overall appearance and presentation, and also sa pag-feature yung products nyo, especially for your drinks, your siomai, and for your batchoy. Yummy Me Iloilo has good quality products, excellent service, budget-friendly, and is certified Rinkinos standards approved. So once again, thank you and congratulations, Yummy Me Iloilo. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!